everybody, my name is Natasha and I am a Myprotein PT. Welcome to this video where I will be speaking to you about mini cuts. What is a mini cut? How do we do a mini cut? When do we do a mini cut? I hear all of your questions. Let's get into it. So what is a mini cut? Well, it's kind of in the name, right? If we take the word mini, short, and cut, to reduce. So we're talking about a 3 to 6 week period where the goal is to reduce body fat percentage. All right, so in order to reduce body fat percentage, we really need to think about nutrition and we need to think about our calorie intake. So we'll break some of these terms down. It's a bit of a reminder for you all. So calorie maintenance, it's the calories that we need in order to maintain our physical state. If we eat more calories, so now calorie surplus, we will gain that weight. And if we reduce our calories, so if we enter into a calorie deficit, then we will lose weight. The goal of a mini cut is to reduce body fat percentage while really maintaining our muscle mass. So we need to be quite specific with our nutrition during this period. So we must differentiate a mini cut from a long-term weight loss journey. So because of the short span of this calorie deficit period, there's actually minimal impact on our long-term adaptive changes to our metabolic rate. So when do we do a mini cut? Great question. So you can basically perform a mini cut at any period during your fitness journey. Quite commonly, you'll see athletes performing this mini cut prior to an event, prior to walking on stage, but you might want to perform a mini cut in the middle of a weight loss journey. It's going to help accelerate a period of fat loss. Or even like myself, you might want to do a mini cut before you go on holiday. So we are talking short term. Remember, 3 to 6 weeks, an extended period of a calorie deficit is not sustainable. So we know we need to be in a calorie deficit, but by how much? So once you've figured out your maintenance calories, what you need to do is reduce that by approximately 25%. Studies recommend aiming for about a 1% reduction in body weight per week. So one of the targets with a mini cut is to maintain muscle strength, size, and function. Now this is so important, it's crucial for your nutrition because it means you have to track your macros. So your macros are your carbs, your proteins, and your fats. And you have guessed it absolutely correctly. I'm gonna tell you or advise you to keep that protein intake high. So protein is absolutely key, and the recommendation is for you to have 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So stick to this. Use a calculator, work out your macros, and make sure you hit that target every day. Personally for me, this is where I find a protein shake is so beneficial. So after you've calculated your protein, remember the most important one, you have now got carbs and fats. Carbs are your friend. We love carbs. Carbs give you energy. Please eat carbs. You may want to slightly reduce your fat intake, if anything, but the energy from our carbs is going to help us fuel our body during our mini cut. So we want to maintain our muscle mass and strength, right? Well, training is going to be absolutely key. Push yourself to keep lifting the heavier weights, the weights that are going to maintain repair and recovery of our muscles. You may find the energy levels slightly reduced. Now this is absolutely going to impact the energy that you have going into your training program. The recommendation is don't stop. So you may wish to change your program, working at 60 to 70% of your max and working at a rep range of about 15. So a question you may be asking yourself is, do I do cardio whilst on a mini cut? It will help, and the reason being is cardio is going to allow us to burn additional calories. Now we want to maintain being in a calorie deficit. So if you do cardio, sometimes you are able to intake slightly more calories per day. So if you do want to do cardio, I recommend putting it at the end of your workout. You're really wanting to maintain a steady state in comparison to a HIIT workout. So your fitness journey is special. Deciding to go on a mini cut is challenging physically and mentally. But if this is your goal, you can do it. What I'd like to say is be kind to yourself. Write down the things that you have been able to achieve over these 3 to 6 weeks. Take photos, track your progress, and reach out to anybody who can help you during those times. Good luck on your mini cut journey. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to the Myprotein channel.